Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm using my 2 Auto wax melter that was sent to me last year. I've used it to make over 1,000 candles without any issues, but I recently purchased a 65-liter Digiboil to melt larger batches of wax. But I didn't want to retire this melter just yet, so I decided to use it for my wax melts and smaller projects. Before I start, I plug in my numbers into this template that I created to quickly calculate how much wax and fragrance oil I need. For my wax melts, each clamshell holds 68 grams. And let's say I want to make 25 in a batch, and I want to use a 12% fragrance load. After I plug in my numbers, the sheet will populate the amount of wax and fragrance oil I need, so I'll need around 1,500 grams of wax and 182 grams of fragrance oil. I find this saves time compared to manually calculating each batch. Once the formula is set, I can simply input different variables and get all the information I need quickly. I'm using Golden Brand's 494 soy wax from Village Crafting Candle. I heat my wax to around 185 to 190 degrees Fahrenheit. I use around a 12% fragrance load, stir for 2 minutes, and then pour slowly into the clamshell. I wait for the wax to cool to around 150 to 155 degrees. These clamshells are from Amazon, and I believe it says to pour at a max temperature of 140 degrees, but based on my testing and environment, 155 worked for me. If I poured any higher than that, the plastic warped and melted, so make sure you do your own testing. I decided to go with these heart clamshells. They're a little bit different, super cute, and aligns with my brand. If there's a small spill, I just wipe it down carefully with a paper towel. But if it's all over the place like this, it just takes too much time and it's hard to clean it up perfectly. So I use these to make samples. I've been struggling with my birthday cake fragrance oil because it turns my wax yellow. I colored them pink to see if it helps, but they still turn yellow after being exposed to direct sunlight. I actually think it looks worse than just leaving them their natural color. I'm still trying to figure out whether or not to keep this scent as a part of my collection. I found these labels on Amazon that fit perfectly on these clamshells. I just used my old Canon printer that I've had for years. To be honest, I'm surprised at how well it's been working for me, but I'm thinking of upgrading to the Epson EcoTank. It seems like people are really happy with how it performs. I started selling these on Amazon as a 4-pack to test how they'd sell online. So I just shipped the first batch out in small cardboard boxes. I recently ordered custom ones to prepare for a potential launch in a physical location. Nothing is finalized, but if it works out, I'm excited to have them available to purchase at a store. Thank you so much for watching. I just unboxed Village Crafting Candles Aromatics collection, so a home fragrance DIY video will be coming very soon. All of the things I didn't know, I had to get out down the road.